everyone, this is Priya from Data Loves. Hope you all are doing very well, and please keep practicing because practice is much more important than all other things. So today's question is certificate needed for data scientist? Okay, so you might think that it is time, you all are might think that it is a time to get a tech degree or a certificate as your first step. You are thinking that this is your first step, that so you have to get the certificate in data science, then you become a data scientist. Okay, but if I talk about in reality, then what is in reality? If I say so, you don't need this. Why? Your knowledge and what you can do will be a major factor in your interview, not education. Yes, for sure it is good to have a tech degree or a certificate, but this won't help you to land your job only because you have a diploma. So think about certificate degree as an optional item. It is good to have, but definitely not this is first thing you need to start your data scientist path. Data scientist path from you need. Then everyone asks to me, then what, ma'am? Then what? So what you need? You need to what? Strong build strong your skill as much as you can. Strong and build your skill as much as you can, because here certificate degree doesn't matter. So what is matter? My answer is only simple. What is matter? Only skill. Skill. If you strong your skill, then certificate, अगर आपकी स्ट्रिंग स्किल स्ट्रॉन्ग है, सर्टिफिकेट डिग्री की नीड ही नहीं है. डजंट नीड सर्टिफिकेट. इट्स जस्ट अ सर्टिफिकेट. आपको स्किल पे फोकस करना है. स्किल स्ट्रॉन्ग, सारी सर्टिफिकेट आपकी क्लियर. इंटरव्यूअर आपकी स्किल पे फोकस करेगा, सर्टिफिकेट पे वो फर्स्टली फोकस नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो फॉर बिकमिंग अ डेटा साइंटिस्ट, इफ यू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी, build your skill, strong your skill, and keep practicing as much as you can. Okay, thank you so much, and please keep watching my videos. I'm providing daily short content for all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.